Hi, Wyatt White here at Artbeads in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. I am the product manager and the education director at Beadalon and Artistic Wire. And today I want to show you something that's really fun. I'm not really a seed bead person. If you know me, you know that. However, the only way that I string seed beads is with the Spin-N-Bead Junior or the Spin-N-Bead and the quick change trays that go along with it. The Spin-N-Bead Junior comes with a very nice needle that's curved, and it has a big eye so that it opens and you just put the stringing material through it. Stringing material today is going to be Wildfire 0.006, that's 6/1000ths of an inch, or 0.15 millimeters. The way this works is just by chance, the holes of the beads align with the end of the bent needle and they just dance on. You can make marks on the needle so that you know how many you're going to get. If you wanted to have all these beads together, just pour them all in together. But today we want to do a few of these, a few of those, a few of these, and a few of these in a repeating pattern. So we're going to hold the needle just like so, and we don't want this to touch the side, because if it touches the side of the inside bowl, the beads aren't going to load on. So you just barely dip it into the spinning beads, and pretty magically they grab on and just load on up, just like so. So you just pull these and push them on. Now, what this does is this allows you not to have to pour the beads out and get it, or have more spinning beads. So you just keep this spinning, drop this on, and in go the beads. And they make a great noise. And drop that on. And then add another one. Continue to spin it. Add some more beads. And if the beads don't seem like they're loading, add a little bit of speed to the to what you're doing so that they have a little more pressure to send them up. And they might pop out a little bit. There you go. And because these are so easy to put on and off, you just take this off, set them back down, and you're ready to go with the next group. So the Spin-N-Bead Junior operates on as few as a single tube of most seed beads. With some you'll need a few more, because as you start depleting your seed beads, of course it's going to be harder and harder for you to get the beads on, because there's fewer of them to find that tip. And you will sprinkle some seed beads out, but it's a whole lot better than doing this with it. So you can just continue moving this along, and before long you've got quite an amount of seed beads on. And for me, that's a win-win, because it's harder and harder for me to see beads. So the seed beads, if you want to be able to add a lot of seed beads in a very short period of time, the Spin-N-Bead Junior with the Spin-N-Bead quick change trays is a great way to go, and a great way to get a lot of seed beads onto stringing material fast. Thanks for watching. See you soon.